In the last lecture, we had discussed about the introduction of machine learning. Basically, machine learning is concerned with the computer programs that improves its performance at some tasks through experience. For example, a computer program that learns to play the game checkers, it improves its performance by its ability to win at the class of tasks involving playing checkers game through experience obtained by playing game against itself. So in well-posed learning problem, we must identify three features. These are: number one, a class of task. Number two, the measure of performance. And number three is the source of experience. We can specify many learning problems on the basis of these three features: the class of task, measure of performance, source of experience. So let us take the problem just we have just discussed, the checkers learning problem. In this checkers learning problem, what is the class of task here? We denote this task by T. So task T here is playing checkers. Second feature is measure of performance. So performance measure is the percentage of game won against opponent. And third feature is training experience. Training experience obtained through playing, practice, games, against itself. So the main three features, that is class of task, measure of performance, and source of experience in terms of this checkers learning problem, the checkers learning problem performance is measured by the percent of ability to win, percent of games won against the opponent. And the class of task is playing checkers game through training experience obtained by playing practice game against itself. It means the program will automatically improves its performance with the experience. Let us take another example to understand these three features. This is the example of handwritten handwriting recognition learning problem. In the handwriting recognition learning problem, it is a program. Its performance is measured by percent of words correctly identified. Percent of words correctly identify how many words this program is correctly identified at certain tasks involving recognition and classifying handwritten words within images. There are certain images, and on the basis of that images, the certain task T which recognize and classifying handwritten words within those images through the experience that experience is obtained by a database of handwritten words with given classification. So in this way, we can identify these three features in certain problems. Let us take one more example, a robot driving learning problem. A robot driving learning problem is a program. It improves its performance measured by average distance traveled before an error at certain class of tasks T involving driving on public 4-lane highways using vision sensors. Through training experience obtained by training experience कैसे मिलेगा उसको? It is obtained by a sequence of images and steering commands recorded while observing the human driver. So these are some examples of well-posed learning problem. To have a well-posed learning problem, we must identify the main three features: class of tasks, measure of performance, and source of performance in the given problem.